Welcome to the Mainman dashboard. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of key features that help you monitor critical machines, track breakdown hours, and manage service tickets efficiently. Plant overview. Here, you can see an overview of your plant's most critical machines. Critical machines by status. This section highlights machines based on their current condition, helping you prioritize maintenance. Breakdown hours. This graph shows critical machine breakdown times over different periods. Track performance weekly, monthly, or yearly to identify trends and improve maintenance strategies. Tickets overview. This section provides insights into your service tickets. Tickets by technician. See how work is distributed among your team. Overdue tickets by category. Quickly identify and address overdue issues. Tickets by status. Monitor ticket progress to ensure timely resolution. Language translation. Click the drop-down and choose from 15 available languages. Once selected, the app's text updates instantly to your chosen language. That's it. Mainman, making service simpler, smarter, and hands-free.